Welcome back to the lesson. In this video, we'll be talking about membership operators in Python. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. There are basically two types of membership operators in Python, which are the in operator and not in operator. Let me actually go ahead and expand this window to get more room. So as you can see, for the in membership operator, returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. In the not in membership operator, returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put that into practice to see for ourselves. As you can see, we already have a set defined, x, which is equals to a set of apple and banana. And now let's go ahead and start with the in membership operator right here. So let's come down below here and try to print. Let's say print. First of all, we're going to specify the value that we want to check inside the object. So let's say apple, okay, and then say in x, something like this. So here basically what we are doing is checking if apple do exist inside of our list right here called x. And yes, of course it does exist, so our output should be true because yes, apple do exist inside of our x set. So let's go ahead and now run our program and see. As you can see, we got true because apple is of course present inside of our set called x right here. So now let's go ahead and try to pass a value that doesn't exist to see. Now let's go ahead and say we want to check if orange is in our set x, which is not, and we should be getting false because orange does not exist in our set called x. So now let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, false. So you get the idea. So this is basically the membership operators. They are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. And now let's go ahead and try the not in membership operator, which returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. For instance, in our case right now, orange does not exist inside of our set called x. So if we went ahead to say we wanted to use not in x, so we're going to get true because of course orange is not in our set. So we should be getting true this time around because we are checking for not in, which returns true if the specified value, which is orange in this case, does not exist or not present inside of our object, which is our x right here. So now let's go ahead and run our program and we shall be getting true. Alright, let's go ahead and do one more example. Let me actually go ahead and define a text right here. Let's say text is equals to, let's say, the best things in life are free. Okay, so now let's go ahead and say expensive is not in text. Paste it right here, and which is true because we do not have any word or sequence called expensive inside of our text, so we should be getting true. Yes, as you can see, true. And if you go ahead and say, let's say free this time around and said in instead of not in, so we said free in text. That means the word free or the sequence free exists inside of our text variable, which is true. And if you go ahead and now run our program, we're going to get true as well. So friend, these are membership operators and of course how we use them in Python. So I hope the concept is clear to you and that you enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you in our next video.